Conjugation of the verb to do, he, she, or it. 1. Simple present, he, she, or it does. 2. Simple past, he, she, or it did. 3. Simple future, he, she, or it will do. 4. Present continuous, he, she, or it is doing. 5. Past continuous, he, she, or it was doing. 6. Future continuous, he, she, or it will be doing. 7. Present perfect, he, she, or it has done. 8. Past perfect, he, she, or it had done. 9. Future perfect, he, she, or it will have done. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, or it has been doing. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, or it had been doing. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, or it will have been doing.